To use a poll, you can either have a poll already created as we see here, or you can click on the poll button and create your own poll. If you click Save Poll, the poll will be available for use at a later time. Or I can say Show in Session, and I'll be able to see the different options here. As an instructor, I won't be able to click on the answers, but as a student, if I go in and select some of the answers, you can see as the students select what their answers are. And you can also see how many responses you've received if you're still waiting on somebody. You can also choose to show your results to your students so that way they can see, and if one of them wants to change their mind, they can do so at this time. Or you can hide the results from your students. You can clear the results, edit the poll, or selecting the poll will allow you to change which one you'd like. If you wish to delete a poll, you have to make sure that a different poll is being used to show in session, and then you can go in and delete the poll. Going back to your slides can be done the same way you navigate to any of your other slides. Under the Settings menu, you can choose to dock all windows, and this is where you're going to set up your audible alerts if you'd like to have them. You click on Sounds, and here you choose what events you'd like to receive an audible alert for and what audible alert you'd like to receive. Either a beep or a ring are unfortunately the only two provided through the web client. If you wish to use a different one, you can browse for one on your computer. You can also change whether the display will be normal, by full screen, or to allow the students to select it for themselves. If you're going to be using a conference call, this is where you would set up your conference call settings. For audio and video, you can change the way that audio is done. You can change the audio quality and the amount of concurrent speakers. For video, you can also adjust those settings if you're going to be using video. Under App Share, you can allow microphone use for App Share control, auto-hide your App Share toolbar, and then image quality settings while you're using the App Share. Under Chat and Text, you can allow your students to send to all presenters, to send to all, or use public chat, to send to each other or private chat, and allow the students to save the text chat to a file. If you're recording the session, you can click on Exit and specify when the session will be published. And under Advanced, you can change some performance monitoring settings.